man plundering earth is not a new phenomenon. It really hurts when people take up all natural products, consume every speck of useful products from environment, and at the end, just encroach her in what all ways one could. Many of us started our day with a very saddening visual from Malappuram. It was a collapsing tree with thousands of birds nesting on it, broke everyone's heart. The visuals from VK Padiyangadi in Tirurangadi has went viral on social media. After seeing this heart-wrenching visual, everyone was in a deep silence. And the latest update about the news is that the JCB driver who had brought down the tree was taken into custody. Additionally, it was found that the tree was felled without the concerned authorities' consent. On Thursday, hundreds of birds were killed during felling of the large tree for the expansion of National Highway 66. The video depicts how there was little time or warning for the birds to fly, and they were literally crushed to death under the falling tree's branches. There were many birds nesting on the tamarind tree, including whistling ducks. Internet users were outraged at those who did not care about the lives of these helpless birds and cut down the tree without thinking of another way to save the birds. The Forest Department has registered a case under the Wildlife Protection Act after the birds just fell dying while cutting trees for the development of National Highway. Police has taken the JCB driver and the vehicle into custody. Wildlife Conservator, Social Forestry Northern Region Conservator and Forest Vigilance Division will visit the site and take further action. Forest Minister A.K. Shashindran termed the incident as a cruel act in which the birds belonging to the Schedule 4 category died after felling of trees and said that this was done without the permission of Forest Department. The minister said that even if the trees were allowed to be cut, this was done in violation of the Forest Department's instruction that trees with birds and bird nest should not be cut until they are gone from there. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.